Hey, Mr. Fortunato, we have a tour for you today.
Hi all, my name is Chef Frank Fortunato. I am the instructor here at ISIT Career Center for the Intro Baking class. Just want to give you a brief explanation of my class and how it runs. We are a class that's specifically geared towards baking. We range from basics of safety and sanitation, mixing methods, learning how to use various tools, upwards to advanced techniques of bread making, croissant making, ice cream making, and everything in between, concentrating on both savory and sweet baked goods. We try to have our students become employable and have the job skills that they can use to gain a job and potentially use it towards a career. How you doing, folks? What we're doing is today we're working, and this whole week working on pies. So the kids are learning how to prepare an apple pie, apple crumb pie. So we have an empty pie shell here. Very simply, they're making homemade pies, learning the biscuit method, which is chopping and cutting butter up into the crust to make it a very buttery and flaky dough. We'll take those pies, fill them up with their homemade apple filling, and they would top it up with a crumb topping, and they would be ending up with a beautiful apple crumb pie that we'll be selling for our bake sale tomorrow. All right? The kids are all working individually, and we'll be able to accomplish this in 1 day's time.